वाले तरफ जाएगा अगर नहीं इधर से हर्ष शुक्ला और भैया वो देवित हाँ हम नहीं इनका खाने के लिए हाँ दुटा सीट एकजना छ दुटा सीट एकजना अनिशा देवरमा अरे करे अरे अनिशा अनिशा दा अनिशा रिकारी देवरमा रिकारी आसा दे हाको दे 참들리 अबे कागड़ी खाना silakan Mas Narian अब tabuk rawana renai Shillong ni simi Tripura thana bagai borok o jaga 3ta bus phai sopaikya engkai borok ni poilani bus ni number ka AR 209099 engkai tekaisa bus ni number bo ang sawono tekaisa bus ni number engke AR 209909 abo kasi ni Tripura ni second bus or Meghalaya ni simi tabuk rawana nai abo haikeno te kaisa bus third bus ngke AR 20990 abo tabuk borok prepare khai tango abo ke Tripura ni bus number 3 Tripura tak khanan bagai bus number 3 Meghalaya ni simi abo tabuk rawana renai Maharaj, who are the people going today here?
From Guwahati 4 buses and 1 tempo traveler is left. Yahan se 3 buses is going. I wish all my Triprasa people a very good journey. Go back home, be with your family, stay safe, maintain social distance, and Bubagra loves you, you love me, and this is my duty. I'm just doing my duty by helping my Triprasa people.
So here, Bubagra, how many buses are going from Shillong?
From Shillong, 3 buses. From Guwahati, already 4 buses and 1 traveler. So in total 8. Then from Pune, 1 is already crossing today. West Bengal, 2. I think 1 more is coming from Mizoram. 1 is gone. 1 more is going from Mizoram.
Okay, thank you, Bubagra.
Bye.